Okay, here first you need to on the accessory. Just push one time start stop button. Okay, now wait for the display. Okay, here you go to the trip menu. You see the workshop setting next to the assistant. So just now you go to the trip menu and you push the home and return button and the OK button same time, about 5 seconds. Okay, now go to the menu. Okay, go. Okay, here you see the workshop setting. Okay, click OK. Okay, here you can see the vehicle data, brake pad replacement, assistant plus. So click the assistant plus, then turn on the ignition. Alright, here you can reset the service. You can do everything from here. So follow guys and subscribe my channel. See you another video. This is Mercedes Benz CLA45 S plus AMG.